Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another t-shirt for you. Almost over there comes the wind. I want to be upwind of the stream.
Yeah, it is pretty windy today.
Yeah. I don't want to get any overcast on our camera. We got a beautiful armpit pleated tie-dye. I still haven't come up with a good name for it. The pit pleat.
The pit pleat. I love it.
Yeah, so in about 5 minutes to something better. It's going to be titled the pit pleat. So. Beautiful blues to the inside.
Let's go.
Gotta get inside now with some warm water. Gotta start to get it unbanded.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Nice.
Very nice. Look at all the colors poking out of there, people. Got a few bands to get off, but we'll be in there shortly. Keeper.
Yeah. Better than a keeper.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
A winner.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's it. We'll find out soon enough. Look at all that beautiful color in there, people.
I guess this blue shirt is appropriate.
Yeah, there you go.
Should have been a sign.
Pink.
We found out today that baby number 2 is a boy.
Let's see. Woo! That's perfect. That's a perfect armpit pleat. That was
Is that what you wanted?
what I had in mind. Yeah, that's almost dead perfect, right? Oh yeah, look at that. See? That is pleated right up the pit. Pitted pleated. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful on both sides. Oh yeah. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful pattern. Good striation. Exactly what I wanted. Pleated all up and down each side. You know, we're just trying new things, trying random things, anything we can think of that might come out cool or different. And I just had this idea. I think I've seen a shirt like this before in the wild somewhere. And I was like, yeah, let's just try that. And pleat up both sides all the way through the armpits like that. You know, I kind of planned to do it a little more on the side, but that's okay. It still came out looking pretty good. And we're gonna keep trying other cool new designs. So if you have a good one in mind, please send it our way. But yeah, anyways, Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.